Guys, I'm going to show you an HID bulb. So it's that one right there. Um, this is limited. So you just got to turn this. You can see the dial right here. You got to turn this like that, and then that comes out like that. And then you see that metal bracket, you just turn that, pull it back, that's the bulb, and there's a little clip on there. You just have to push the clip in towards the center, and then it pops right out. Alright guys, so see, I got the this little pin right here. It folds up, so I had to take it off, and now I'm going to put the new one in. This is the old one. Here's the new one. This one's actually working, but I'm just going to go ahead and change it. That's how that came, so I got to be real careful and put a glove on.